YouTube? So many of you may have an iPhone 6s or an iPhone 7 or an iPhone 8 or even a 5s. You might have the issue of charging. Your phone just won't charge. Every time you keep on plugging it in, it just will not charge. There's a very easy way to fix it. Instead of taking your phone to a repair technician to actually have your dock connector replaced, what you can do is a quite simple fix at home. Take any flat piece. For instance, I'm using a pair of metal tweezers. Now, bear in mind, don't use metal all the time. I'm a technician. I've been doing this for a very long time, so I know how to do it. Use like a toothpick or something fine, maybe even plastic, and dig around in the very bottom of your dock connector. The reason why you should do this is dust and lint gets built up at the bottom. When it gets built up, your lightning cable will not be able to fit all the way to the bottom, hence why you have charging issues, and you will not need a replacement. So let me show you what I mean. So I'm just digging at the bottom of this dock connector over here, and if I keep on digging away, we'll be able to see all this lint. So all this lint was stuck in the bottom of this phone. Take a look. So just digging away here. Being very careful not to hit the actual contact points for your lightning connector. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of dust which gets stuck into this dock flex. So now you can see it's nice and clean. But look how much lint was actually stuck at the bottom of that connector. Well, there you go. That was a simple, easy fix for a typical iPhone with a dock problem. Cheers.